Cookies and salad. Look at this. This recall for the salads is so long that I've got to read it. I've got to read it to you guys. My goodness. Let's cut through the chase and get started. Edmund's Bakehouse is recalling all, not one, not two. They are recalling all of their sweet indulgence cookie bites. All of them. These are for the 12 count in the 11.85 ounce box. So the cookies include brown butter honey pistachio, lemon shortbread, brown butter snickerdoodle, peanut butter chocolate chunk, chocolate chili coffee, and turtle brownie. Now, these cookies are being recalled due to undeclared milk and soy allergen. So if you are allergic to milk, if you have allergens for soy or milk, you need to be aware. The sad thing about this recall is these cookies have had undeclared milk and soy between January 30th, 2023 through December 13th, 2023. That's a year. It is not clear why these labels have been incorrect with this undeclared milk and soy for months. If you have these, please discard them. Now, there have not been any reports of illnesses, but if you've had a suspicious illness or sickness and you've had these cookies or consumed these cookies, need I say more? A whole year. That is totally unacceptable. That's why, guys, if you are not subscribed to the channel, take a second and subscribe, because you need this information. They have just announced this and it's been a year. I'm going to continue to provide these recalls when I get them as soon as possible so that you all can stay safe and be aware. Now, if you don't have a milk allergy, don't have a soy milk, you may have something else that's coming up, or you may know someone. So share the video out to everyone you know. Let them know about it so that they can become aware. Turn on the notification bell and make sure it's set to all, because if it's not set to all, you might miss something that you really need to know. So now let's move to the salads. Now, the salad list, I have a whole list of different types of salads that have been recalled. I'm going to have to read this list because it's too much for me to keep up here today, okay? I'm going to have to actually read the list to you all. Now, these salads have been recalled from Harold's Salads Incorporated. They are recalling all of these salads, and they have different best by or used by dates on them. They are also packaged in multiple size containers. So before I get into why these salads are recalled, I'm going to go over them first because I want the list to be here. And I'm also going to state the use by or best by date. They are saying if you have these salads, Harold's Salads Incorporated is saying please discard them immediately. So here is the list. Southern potato salad, best by January 16th, 2024. Original potato salad, best by January 16th, 2024. Original potato salad with egg, best by January 16th, 2024. Rotini Garden Medley, best by January 16th, 2024. Greek orzo salad, best by January 14th, 2024. Black bean and corn salsa, best by January 14th, 2024. Fireland Deli potato salad, best by January 26th, 2024. Amish macaroni salad, best by January 17th, 2024. Amish potato salad, best by January 17th, 2024. Original macaroni salad, best by January 16th, 2024. Poppy seed pasta salad, best by January 6th, 2024. Amish wedding rotini garden medley, best by January 14th, 2024. Amish wedding potato salad, best by January 24th, 2024. Amish wedding macaroni salad, best by January 19th, 2024. Amish wedding diced cucumber salad, best by January 23rd, 2024. Amish macaroni salad Dutch Valley, best by January 19th, 2024. And Amish potato salad Dutch Valley, best by January 19th, 2024. That's a long list, guys. That is a long list. But if you have bought or consumed these salads, beware. If you have bought any of these salads and you still have them on hand, please discard them immediately. These salads have been recalled due to the possibility of listeria. That is very serious. That is very serious, and you do not want to consume anything that has had the possibility of listeria. This list of salads is so long that I will also leave the list down in the pinned comment, the first comment below. I would leave the list of these salads down there, and the cookie list is pretty long too. So I will also leave that list down in the very first comment under the video. So that way, if you guys need to refer to it, you can come back to the video and look at the comment below the video. Sad, 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 going into 24. Now, all of these have the best by or use by date of the first of the year. So we are headed into January 2024 with recalls. Sad state. Again, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, and make sure your family, friends, and foes, anybody, knows about these recalls so that we can all stay safe and be aware. Today is December 19th, 2023.